Hello, everyone! Welcome back to SN English Practice. Are you ready to improve your English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we're going to learn 20 useful English words that start with the letter A. I'll explain each word with a simple meaning dot and an easy example sentence. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Ability. Meaning.
Ability means the power or skill to do something.
Example.
She has the ability to solve difficult problems.
Daily use sentence.
Everyone has the ability to learn English with regular practice.
Able. Meaning.
Able means having the skill or power to do something.
Example.
He is able to swim across the river.
Daily use sentence.
After months of practice, I am able to speak English confidently.
About. Meaning.
About means regarding or approximately.
Example.
This book is about space.
Daily use sentence.
Tell me more about your favorite hobby.
Above. Meaning.
Above means higher than something.
Example.
The picture hangs above the sofa.
Daily use sentence.
The airplane flew above the clouds.
Accept. Meaning.
Accept means to receive something willingly.
Example.
She accepted the job offer.
Daily use sentence.
Please accept my sincere apology.
Accident. Meaning.
Accident means an unexpected event.
Example.
There was a traffic accident this morning.
Daily use sentence.
Drive carefully to avoid accidents.
Accurate. Meaning.
Accurate means correct and exact.
Example.
The weather report was accurate.
Daily use sentence.
Always give accurate information on official forms.
Achieve. Meaning.
Achieve means to successfully reach a goal.
Example.
She achieved first place in the competition.
Daily use sentence.
Hard work helps you achieve your dreams.
Across. Meaning.
Across means from one side to another.
Example.
The children ran across the playground.
Daily use sentence.
A new bridge was built across the river.
Act. Meaning.
Act means to do something or behave in a certain way.
Example.
He acted bravely during the emergency.
Daily use sentence.
Always act politely when you meet new people.
Action. Meaning.
Action means something that is done.
Example.
His quick action saved the little child.
Daily use sentence.
Success comes from taking action every day.
Active. Meaning.
Active means full of energy and always doing something.
Example.
My grandfather is still active at the age of 70.
Daily use sentence.
Regular exercise keeps your body active and healthy.
Activity. Meaning.
Activity means something that people do.
Example.
Drawing is a fun classroom activity.
Daily use sentence.
Outdoor activities help children stay fit.
Actor. Meaning.
An actor is a man who performs in movies, TV shows, or plays.
Example.
The actor received an award for his performance.
Daily use sentence.
My brother wants to become an actor one day.
Actress.
An actress is a woman who performs in movies, TV shows, or plays.
Example.
The actress thanked her fans during the event.
Daily use sentence.
She dreams of becoming a successful actress.
Actually. Meaning.
Actually means in fact or really.
Example.
Actually, the meeting starts at 10 o'clock.
Daily use sentence.
I actually enjoyed reading that book.
Add. Meaning.
Add means to put something together.
Example.
Please add some milk to the tea.
Daily use sentence.
Don't forget to add your name to the list.
Address. Meaning.
Address means the place where someone lives or a speech given to people.
Example.
Please write your home address clearly.
Daily use sentence.
The principal delivered an inspiring address to the students.
Admire. Meaning.
Admire means to respect or appreciate someone.
Example.
Many people admire her honesty.
Daily use sentence.
I admire people who never give up.
Advice. Meaning.
Advice means a suggestion about what someone should do.
Example.
My teacher gave me useful advice before the exam.
Daily use sentence.
Always listen to good advice from experienced people.
Fantastic! Practice these words with your friends and family, and try to use them in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SN English Practice. See you in the next lesson!